puffy skirt. Okay. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
We are going to open our scent and warmer of the month for November. And by we are going to open, I mean it's already opened. It came like probably a week ago. We have just been so busy that we just haven't had a chance to make a video on it. But I couldn't keep... You want your iPad? Okay. We just literally were so busy. We couldn't get a time where we were both home to make a video on it. And then I was tired of it sitting there. So I opened it and I looked at it. And so this isn't super accurate for Sniffs. But it's a first-ish Sniffs. He's not smelled it yet. So it's his first time. Not so much mine. Most of the pieces of the box are already missing. And my tester already has little fingerprints and nail dig things out of it. And no lid anymore, wherever that is. So this is for November. The scent is called Be Merry, and there's 2 warmers of the month. Two warmers. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
2 warmers. So let's do the fragrance first. Oh, this is pretty. Look how they did the backside. They did the backside new. That's really cool. I love it. Okay, here's yours. So this is Be Merry. And the fragrance is described as joy abounds in pine boughs. Wait, hold on. How do you say that? Boughs. I was trying to think of a song so that I could get it right. Okay. Dotted with holly leaf and cassis. Cassis. Ready, set?
Go. I like it. It smells like, what, winter pine or whatever?
No. Oh.
A little bit.
I can't figure it out. Like, I've been trying to smell it.
It smells like pine to me. Also smells.
I don't really smell much pine.
I smell frick ton of pine. And a little bit like a cherry or...
It reminds me a little bit of cranberry tinsel, I think.
Cranberry pine?
Maybe like a
All
cranberry...
I can smell is pine needles. Mostly.
Yeah?
Or it's pine sap.
Pine sap?
Or tree sap. Whatever.
If anybody else has smelled this, describe it below. So
Pine
I feel
sap
like
and
I smell
cranberry.
berries. I don't know if there's any berries in it. There's holly leaf. I think what I'm smelling more of is holly leaf and less pine. I don't know what cassis smells like alone. So I'm not entirely sure. It smells good. Like it's a very classic Christmassy smell.
Cassis.
It's just difficult to
Cassis.
describe for me. Kip's gonna Google himself some cassis.
See what it is.
So, while he's doing that, if you are a consultant, the Scent Warm of the Month kit comes with 9 bars. Speaking of kids have been in this box, there's a Mickey in here. Comes with 9 bars of the scent of the month, a tester for your parties. It comes with a room spray. It comes with 50 flyers, 72 rub and sniff stickers, and that's the scent of the month kit. So that's $35 for all of that, which if you can do the math plus commission, then you know that those bars end up being like $2 a piece. It's really a great deal. And then for the warmer of the month kit, you just add the price of the warmers kind of, but there's a little bit of a discount on them. So I got the warmer of the month kit. This month there's 2 warmers. So I'm going to let Kip open one while I open one as well. I'll give you the big guy.
You the big guy.
All right, so here's the scent of the month stickers. There's a Roblox head in here because my kids have been in this box, and the room spray was missing the moment the box opened. Like I have not seen the room spray since. I'm guessing it's under a couch somewhere.
Probably. Oh man. Oh man.
Chubby fella. So these are both called Frosty Glow. So there's Frosty Glow Regular and Frosty Glow Mini. Are you excited to see the snowman? Don't pick your nose. Yucky. Cool. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, Frosty Glow Regular and Frosty Glow Mini. So this is the mini warmer. He's very handsome. It is just a snowman with a speckled white snowy glass. He's very cute. I don't know. Does anybody decorate in snowmen? Yeah. My mom used to have an entire area of her home in snowmen and another entire area of Santas. Let me see if I can do this on camera or not on camera. But if you get this warmer and you struggle with getting it in here the right way, the warmer comes with a ring. It's a positioner. And it should help you get this to face the right way when it's on the wall. But don't be afraid to not, like, some people want to tighten the warmer all the way. It's okay if it's not all the way tight. Like, if you want to loosen it a little bit so that it's facing the direction that you want it to be facing.
I like the smell a lot, actually.
Put that on there.
Be merry.
Nope. Doesn't go the right way yet. I'll try it again.
Liza, Katie
Did you
says
open?
hi.
Did you open that warmer? You can show them the warmer.
Cutie. All right, here's the large version.
Okay, just kidding. I put it on the glass. It goes in the bottom.
The large version of
There you go.
the warmer. Here's the dish that goes inside of it. Like so. I bet he glows quite a bit.
Yeah, I'm sure he's pretty bright.
He's got like a speckle.
Did you put the bulb in it already?
No.
Okay, don't worry about it.
I wasn't going to light him up.
Light
him
up, up. Did we both just start singing the same song? Oh, I do have. 1 second. I think I've got an extension cord here. We do.
Light it up.
I'm gonna do the little guy just for fun. They're really cute, aren't they? So the little rubber positioner that comes in the warmer is important for these mini warmers. What?
Oh, there it is.
Yours didn't come with what?
I found it.
It came with a bulb.
I'm just making things up.
Okay. Then we're just gonna plug this guy in. Oh, I can't because this is a grounded thing. Just
Jordan
kidding.
Carroll says he's really bright. My son gets so excited.
I can't plug this one in because I have a extension cord that's not a grounded one. I can break that off. Just kidding, I won't do that.
Guess
not
what? The
on
big
camera.
one's plugged in.
Nathan said that's what she said.
Nothing.
That's what she said.
Eliza says Nathan.
Nathan.
So yeah, if your warmer's not facing the front way, then make sure that you guys put the rubber positioner in there. Stop, that's what she's setting me. I have to inform the people. This is
Stop,
a real
that's what
thing.
She's setting me.
This is a real thing.
That's what she said. Here we go.
Ready?
Hang on. Make sure I got this right. It's kind of
I'm
being...
gonna shock him.
Don't shock me. It's not doing anything. Oh.
Ooh!
See,
Jordan, I
almost
like that you said that. Not really. Okay, hold it. Don't touch it. It's gonna be really hot. Yeah.
Feels like I'm not...
You're kind of... It's hot now.
Mm-hmm.
It's not hot.
Okay, where's to show you? He put the bulb in like crooked.
Weird. I don't know why I couldn't...
He can't get... But there we go. Woo! Happy snowman. You can't see his nose from far away, so he looks like
very
a little...
bright.
He's very bright though.
A great room lighter.
It looks like he's gonna be really, really cute though.
Night
Like
light.
in the winter when you've got all your like Christmas lights and stuff. Do you like it?
Look at the nose.
He's got a nose.
Ah!
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot? You think so? What is this?
A mouth.
Okay, yeah, that's a mouth. But what is this guy? What is he?
It's
Okay, whatever. She was telling me it was a snowman earlier. She was very happy to see him. Okay, there you guys go. Here they are. Your happy little snowmen.
That's it.
There you go. So these are both available November 1st. If you want one, let me know because I've been hearing a lot of buzz about them being pretty heavy sellers already. Just based on consultant subscription. So let me know if you need one of these guys. I know where you can get one.
Where?
Figure it out. Aha! Okay, November 1st. They're 10% off in November too, so even better reason to order them right when they come out. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.